for probably 10 years, and we perch fish, we rock fish. We usually come together for the winter fishery just for the safety of it, and because we can depend on each other. Don't feel so bad about going to his house at 2 o'clock in the morning and kicking him out of bed, or he doing the vice versa. The Department of Natural Resources puts a lot of guidelines on this commercial fishery. You're only allowed 300 pounds a day. You have to be in the check-in station by 9, and you're not allowed to start before 3. You can't sell a fish without a tag in it. So every fish has to have a tag before you sell the fish. We tag the fish before we sell it. Buyer will not buy them without with these tags in them. So there's an accountability issue. You know, they want to know exactly how many fish are caught. So on our cards, it tells you exactly what day you caught them, how many fish you caught, and how many pounds you caught. So there's no second guessing how many fish it is. I honestly believe that special interest groups should be held accountable for what fish they catch. We are held accountable, and so therefore we know what's coming ashore, what's getting sold, and they can track these fish to when the head's cut off the fish. They can track it right to that moment. It has a tag in it with my number on it, and they can tell you who caught it. They can tell you, I know they can tell you what season it was caught in. They've got pretty good control over the fish, and I think that it just needs to be a shared resource. It's not my fish, it's not your fish, it's our fish, and so therefore we should be able to fish it commercially, and I think they should be able to fish it recreational. But I also see the commercial side of it, because the way I feed my wife and I, the way we pay our bills. These regulations can't be put on a certain user group any more harsh of a penalty than on another user group. And I think that everybody needs to see it in the big picture, not just in me.